mahirap talaga maging first time mom. Nandiyan na yung mapupuyat ka, talagang sobra kang mapapagod, tapos nakikita mo, hindi ka talaga nakakapag-ayos kasi talagang lahat ng time mo binibigay mo sa baby mo. So, siguro ang maipapayo ko is take good care of yourself. No, eat well, kumain ka ng mga nutritious food, lalo na yung mga sabaw, nilaga, tinola, munggo, etc. na makakatulong sa milk production mo kasi doon talaga mapupunta lahat ng time mo. And then make sure to get a lot of sleep. Mahirap sabihin yan, pero sabayan mo na yung pagtulog ng baby mo para at least makarami ka ng tulog. Siguro ang pinakamagandang memory ko nung nanganak ako is sasabayan mo, like kung nagbe-breastfeed kayo, sabayan nyo rin ng tulog para at least makarami kayo ng pahinga. And of course, don't be afraid to ask for help. Hingi ka ng help from your husband, from your mother-in-law, from yung mga friends mo, and siguro just take good care of yourself. Don't be afraid to say no kung hindi mo kaya. Minsan, nandyan yung mga bibisita sa'yo. Alam ko, during yung time ko, no, medyo mahirap mag-entertain ng mga guests at that time. So, don't be afraid to just say no and ask for help. So, enjoy the experience. Sulit yan kasi kahit na mahirap, doon mo marirealize yung napagdaanan ng mom mo and doon mo talaga siya ma-appreciate. And it's what binds all of us women together. So, enjoy.